morning, you lovely people. We're back again. Vlogger on Wheels and the Weekend are back to entertain you. Well, seeing this jacket, you would have understood that it's winter. Yes, it is winter and winter has set in properly. But there are no limits of insanity, and therefore we are going to a even more hilly region today. Last time we had gone to a forest. Prior to that, we had explored a wetland. It's the hills today. So let's see what I have in store for you. What you will see now is a dense forest cover. We are approaching our destination and we're crossing this forest area. Just check that out. So we are approaching our destination and this is the route that we've taken, and we still have to go around a kilometer. You can see the dense forest cover in the hilly region. This is something very beautiful. There's no one, absolutely no one on the way, and I feel because it's a Sunday and because of COVID, people are really scared. And just see the beauty around. You've got the entire ranges of Himachal. You can see some villages down there. That's the farming that is going on in the villages, but the nature, the beauty of the mountains, the mist around, it's really wonderful. So we've actually come to this place called Kalitibba. This is outside Chail, some 5 kilometers higher than Chail, and what we are seeing here is the entire range. It's bright and sunny, however it is damn chilly. The wind is actually bone breaking. I'm in my jacket but still feeling the cold. And what you can see in the distance right out here is the snow-capped range, not very far from here, but that's not our destination for today. And the view out from here is simply amazing. You can see the mountain ranges capped in snow and the entire forest cover out here. So decided to explore this village. A lot of farming. Let's see if we are able to get some organic vegetables and fruits out here. Capsicum farming around here.
This place is not really far from
Lots
Shimla.
of them actually.
Is this why capsicum in India is called Shimla Mirch? Do let me know.
The mountains around are simply mesmerizing. Walk down the beaten path in search of some organic fruits and vegetables. This is an unexpected turn in today's trip. We came to see the heights and we are actually here in front of farming. All these covers, white covers that you're seeing, are actually mountain hill farming.
Today's trip may have gotten over, but I'll surely take you on many more exciting journeys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Do like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Take care and stay safe.